Arthrex created the Summer Associate and Product Management Intern program to support our unprecedented business success. The differences between these two programs is a Summer Associate is able to leverage their graduate level schoolwork and potentially work responsibilities. At Arthrex, one of our most important things is coaching, developing, and identifying talent. That is at the core of what this program offers.
Product management for many students isn't something you can open a textbook up and learn in a class setting. So the program offers you that real-world experience to dive in headfirst and really learn what Arthrex product management is all about and all the expectations that come with that job.
Product management is a very broad title. We take ideas and we see them through until their final product. We have complete ownership over that product line.
No day in product management is really the same. I worked with really seasoned product managers and I asked them probably 1,000 questions every day. Arthrex culture is that they want you fully immersed into any experience. So you truly understand what a day looks like for that role if you were to come on full time.
The way that I like to talk about it, it's really like an 11-week interview. I was able to showcase what I could bring to the team and really get that culture within the team as well.
We have 3-4 months or the entire summer with an intern, so we get to learn a lot about them. They get to learn about our team and our culture. You're going to do what we do. We're going to give you your own assignments. You're going to go off on your own and come back with solutions, trying to figure things out.
Not only did I get great work experience, but you are able to form these tight-knit groups with other interns. There's awesome opportunities to do different internship events. Looking back on it, it's one of my favorite summers during my university years.
I'm thankful for my internship opportunity because it really gave me a glimpse of product management, showed me that that's something I want to do, and really prepared me for my full-time role that I'm in here now.
Every opportunity can lead you to that full-time position and really understand what product management is. Unless you're doing it day to day, it's really hard to quite understand really what our job role entails.
My advice for anyone interested in product management would be to be ready to take on new tasks, things that may be outside of your comfort zone. And there's lots to be learned regardless of what your background is. Being open-minded and able to learn these new tasks will give you greater growth and opportunity in your future.